I was so very fortunate to have chosen as one of the Q50. This is QVC's 50 Women of Influence, and they chose me and many other women over 50 who have, made success of their lives and have had an impact on other women. And they had me appear on one of their shows to sell my latest Christmas book, and they had a candle maker there. And the flavors of the candles inspired 3 stories, all Christmas stories. So the one, another Christmas story that just came out recently, and I just love the whole idea of this was, and a friend and I were plotting together, and this came up in the plotting session, and it was a pastor and a bartender trading places. And that became Christmas Spirit because they're, both in spirit. So I think my most successful Christmas stories have all been based on scripture. Mrs. Miracle is based on Hebrews 13:2. We entertain strangers unaware. And the surely goodness and mercy are also, from Psalm 23.